O visas are for people who are considered individuals of extraordinary ability in the arts, sciences, education, business, or athletics. And it basically allows them to live in the U.S. to practice their craft for up to 3 years. The O visa is particularly popular for outstanding scientific researchers, but it can apply to a broad range of skill sets. Extraordinary ability is really a broad term that is naturally somewhat subjective, but the basic definition is that the person has to have a level of expertise indicating that they're one of the small percentage of people who have risen to the very top of their field. Applicants have to prove their elite level of achievement through a huge amount of documentation, including things like nationally or internationally recognized awards, membership in an organization that would require an outstanding achievement, published materials, evidence that the applicant has been recruited to participate in the judging of others in their field, proof of publication of original scientific or scholarly work that's of major significance, evidence that the applicant has been employed in a high-level capacity at a distinguished organization, or even evidence that the applicant is paid a high salary in comparison with others in their field. Because of the really high bar to prove extraordinariness, it's advisable for applicants who may be on the cusp of qualifying for O visas to evaluate the other visa categories that are also targeted at highly skilled individuals. And those are things like the H-1B visa, other types of employment visas like the P visa, which is reserved for performers and athletes, or J-1 visas for participants in a cultural exchange. One of the most common reasons that O visas can be denied is that applicants just don't present enough evidence to document their achievement in the field. This bar is really quite high, so you have to prove that you are someone who possesses an unusual level of talent and distinction. The evidentiary standard is really high, so it's advisable to contact an experienced immigration attorney before you apply. If you'd like to discuss your eligibility for the O class of non-immigrant visas, please contact us anytime for a free consultation.